Hi, YouTube friends. If you found this video, you're in the right place. Our creative family is looking to improve our art, inspire, most of all, sell our creations. 8 years ago, I opened up a Fine Art America page and uploaded my photography, then immediately jumped on the never-ending hamster wheel of networking other photographers, thinking I was working the website. I wasted hundreds of hours with no results, no sales, but tons of frustration. I knew my art was good and that if the right person saw it, I'd have a chance to complete the sale. You know what they say, that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. So I slowly changed my strategy, different avenues till the results started to come in. I increased my efforts in what worked and decreased that which showed no results. While this was happening, I also worked at my trade, aimed for excellence, never satisfied with yesterday's quality, never stopped improving my art. With a couple home run sales at Christmas 2020, bumping up my algorithms, those rains lifted all the boats, pictures, in the harbors and exposed them to the eyes that needed to see them, and things started to happen. While working for and filling in at PhotoSurge Academy, I recorded a video about selling at Fine Art America. It was a huge success. Afterwards, many students asked me to teach a course on selling. Around January of 2021, I set a goal to create the course. But then Hurricane Ian struck my town pretty bad. My husband and I had to find a new place to live, but to make things more difficult, also traveled to Italy. We thought we were still young, and that time showed we weren't. We found a new home, moved in, settled down, and set about to complete the course. Speed ahead 4 months, hundreds of hours editing and how-to videos. We are finally done. This course will show you the pitfalls to avoid, the time wasters, and the tips and tricks I use to boost my sales, doubling every year for the last 4 years. I'm excited for the future. Things are looking up. Now, from what you would earn from selling just one 20 by 30 inch canvas, metal or acrylic print, I've sold 48 so far this year, you can purchase this time-saving, life-changing course. There is still time to get your webpage ready for November 1st, the start of the Christmas buying season. It has always been my busiest month, and it can be yours too. So click on the link in the description below and let's get started selling your creations.